Hello guys, so it's time for lesson 2, finding more and less. If you haven't done lesson 1 yet, have a go at doing that one first and then we can do this one. If you're ready for lesson 2, that's brilliant. Let's do this guys. Okay guys, so you will need some bits. If you don't have it though, it's fine, you can just watch me do it on the screen. But if you do have some bits to join in, that will be great. Okay, so you will need a number line to 40 or above. There's a number line. Or 100 square. Oh, and I'm hiding it up, but it says you can make your own. Okay, if you haven't got a printer at home, you could make your own number line or 100 square, or if you do have a printer, you can download it from the remote learning document. Okay, guys, brilliant. Okay, guys, so we're going to do a mental math starter. It means we're going to do it. We're going to think about it in our brain. We're going to practice our skills. What I'd like you to do is I want you to read aloud the numbers from 1 to 40. So I want you to count from 1 and count forwards to 40. Okay, I'll do it with you. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Whoa! That took longer than I thought. And now we're going to count backwards. So the numbers get smaller. We're counting back, they get less. So we're going to start at 40 and count back. That's a bit trickier. Okay, so I'm going to start 40, 39, 38, 37, 36, 35, 34, 33, 32, 31, 30, 29, 28, 27, 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Oh, well done, children. Okay, guys, so let's have a look at the in focus task, our starting task. Now it says, what are the missing numbers in the number chart? So have a look, it's 100 squares from the number 1 to 40. And you can see as we go along this way, the numbers, what's happening to the numbers, children? They're getting bigger, aren't they? They're getting bigger by 1. Each time we're adding 1. And then we get here, and we get to the 10. We get to 10, okay? If you go down, let me get my pen. If we go down this way, we add 10 each time. So we've got 10, 20, 30, 40. So if we go this way, we are adding 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. So we add 1 each time. If we go this way, if we start at 10, we're counting back. The numbers get less by 1. 10, 9, 8, 7. So we're taking away 1. Okay, let me rub that out. Okay, get back to where we were. So there are some missing numbers in this chart. I'd like you to pause the video, children, and see if you can work out what the missing number is here, 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 and here. Pause the video, give it a go. Right, guys, so did you work out what the missing numbers were? Right, well, let's have a look at the first one. So the first missing number we have is here. Here's our first missing number. Okay, and that would be there. And we need to work out what we need to do. We need to look at the number before it. So if we go back, we've got 24, 23, 22, 21. So the numbers are getting smaller by 1. Let's try going the other way. And we know the numbers will get bigger. We'll be adding by 1. Get 1 more. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. And we know that's correct because the next number will be 26. Each time, the ones in the 1 column are getting 1 more. Okay, they're getting 1 more. So each number is 1 more than the number before it. Each time we are adding 1 more. And 1 more than 24, we knew would be 24, 25. Let's have a look. You can see here in this picture, they've got 2 10s, and 2 10s is 10, 10, 20, okay, and 4 1s. And if we add 1 more 1, we've still got 2 10s, but we've got 5 1s. So it makes 25. Okay, well done, guys. Right, so let's have a look at this next challenge. It says, what comes next in the pattern? So we've got, let's look at the numbers that we've got, children, in our pattern. We've got 20, 22, 24, 26. What's happening here? Because it's not going up in ones, is it? Because it would be 20, 21, 22. But it's going straight from 20 to 22. So what's happening? Oh, let's have a look. Right, so we've got our 100 square. So not 100 square, this is our number line. Now, if you have a number line with you, it would be great if you could get it out and you could use your number line too. So let's start. I'm going to get my pen, my highlighter, and we are going to follow the pattern on our 100 square. So we need to start at 20 and then we go to 22. How many jumps have we made, guys? We've jumped over 2, haven't we? We added 2 there, it's 2 more. Let's see if it's the same from 22 to 24. Oh look, 1, 2. We're adding 2 each time. Then 26. But we're skipping 2 numbers. 1, 2. We added 2 again. So what would we have to do now then to find out this missing number? Each time we're adding 2. Each time we're jumping 2. So 20, 21, 22. We added 2 numbers. 23, 24. We added 2 numbers. 25, 26. We added 2 numbers. So we're adding 2 more each time. Let's see if we can add 2 more on here. Let's add 2. Okay, so I'm going to go, what's 1 jump? 1, 2. So the next answer should be, this should be 28 to follow the pattern. Because each time the ones are going up by 2, there's 2 more in the ones column. Okay, let's check on our 100 square to see if we're correct. See if it follows a pattern. So we started with 20, and then we added 2, 1, 2, 22, 1, 2, 24, 1, 2, 26, 1, 2, 28. Yeah, we're right. Each time we're adding 2 more, so the missing number is 28. So each number is 2 more than the number before it. And 2 more than 26 was 28. We can have a look here, because if you look here, we've got 26, we've got 2 10s. Okay, and 2 10s is 10, 20. Okay, and then we've got 6 1s. 20 add 6 makes 26. And we're adding 2 more. And if we added 2 more to 6, hold up 6 fingers. 6, 7, 8. Adding 2 more would be 28. Okay, 28. There we go. So the number pattern is 22, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28. Because each time we're adding 2 more. Okay, children, should we have a look at this one together now? Okay, so first of all, let's look at the patterns. Let's have a look at the pattern. So we've got, let me get my pen, 38, 36, 34, 32, then a missing number. Okay, so let's have a think. What's happening to these numbers? Let's have a look. So 38. Now 38 we know has got, if I do that, it's got 3 tens. And 3 tens is 10, 20, 30. It's got 8 ones. Okay, let's look at the next number. 36. It's got 3 tens again, but it's got 6 ones. Now 6 is less than 8. So the number is getting smaller. The numbers are getting smaller. 4, oh, that's less than 6. 2 is less than 4. Also, the numbers we know must be getting smaller. But I wonder how many they're getting smaller by. Okay, children, let's have a go on our number line. Would you like to have a go at doing this first, children, and seeing what you need to do? Seeing if you can work out what the pattern is. Pause the video and you have a go. Okay, guys, so let's see if we've got the right answer. So, oh look, they've moved some of that away. Right, so they've got 34. Here's 34 on our pattern. So let's highlight 34. Oh, get my yellow highlight. So here's 34. Let's circle 34 on our number line. There's 34 on our number line. Okay, and the next number it says is 32. Now what do we have to do to get to 32? Now we know the number gets smaller. So that's 1 jump. That's taking away 1 to get to 32. Oh, it's 2 jumps. 1, 2. So we're taking away 2. It's 2 less. Okay. So it's 2 less. Let's check on our 100 square. Oh, I'm going to have to rub this out so we can see it. So let's have a look. Let's find 34. There's 34. Now to get to 32, we have to go back 1, 2. It's 2 less. We're taking away 2. So what would it? We have to take away another 2 now. So we'd go 1, and I've got to the end of my 100 squares, and I have to go back here. 2. So we think it could be 30. Let's do it on here again. So we knew we started at 34. We had to do 2 jumps back. It was 2 less. 1, 2. We got to 32. And now we need to do another 2 jumps back. Take away another 2. 2 less. 1, 2. Oh, we've landed on 30. Did you know the next number was 30, children? Yeah, because each number is 2 less than the number before it. And 2 less than 32 was 30. So we can write that in there because we were right. Okay, so that number is 30. Now, guys, you have got some activities to do now. Now, sheet 1 is activity time, and you can have a go at doing this. It says you'll need some counters. Okay. You don't need many counters though. You could use pasta, you could use anything, you could just use Lego then. Then you need to read the instructions, and it's looking at patterns and finding out what the pattern is. Is it 1 more? Is it 2 more? Is it 4 more? Or is it the pattern getting less? Is it 2 less, 3 less? And you can use the number line to help you, and you can use this, they've got a number square here to help you as well. Then, if you've completed sheet 1, have a go at sheet 2, and that is some sequence snakes. Now, they haven't got a 100 square or a number line for you to use, but if you have one at home, or if you want to make one, you could use it to help you. And you can see, you can look at the patterns, and you need to find out what's happening in the patterns. Is it getting more or less? And how many more is it going? How many more is it going up each time? Or how many less is it going down each time? Good luck, guys. You've been superstars today, reaching for the stars. Bye.